Could you get over to Birchwood Road? There has been a breakdown there.
Like you're going out to someone that's broke down at the side of the road, you can see the drivers are like, oh, thank God you're here. And then when someone turns up, it's a bit of a relief. They know that something's going to get sorted out. They're either going to get their truck fixed or something will be arranged for them to get their truck to a place. It is good to go out and help people. I've worked here 20 years. My name's Simon Curtis. I work for Scania Assistance, Purfleet. I started working on trucks when I was about 15, working with my uncle during school holidays. As long as the job's covered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you get pretty much left alone. So you sort of become your own sort of boss. You haven't really got to answer to anyone other than Scania Assistance. You get to travel around and see different areas, different types of vehicles. You're sort of out there looking at stuff rather than being stuck in a workshop all the time. But it's also quite social as you meet lots of customers.
What's the problem with it?
They've put AdBlue in the fuel system.
Is that not where it's supposed to work?
No, not normally. It don't really run on that very well. When the younger lads comes up and they're asking you questions because they look up to you in the workshop. That is what makes you, I think, proud to be doing what you're doing and think to yourself, oh, I must be good at what I'm doing because the younger lads are asking me stuff. And there's not really much more that I'd want to do, I don't think, other than like everyone would want to be a Formula One driver or a Premier League football player, but like for the career that I wanted to do, which was fix trucks or fix vehicles, then yeah, I'm more than happy with what I'm doing. I enjoy my job. Every day's different, so I couldn't really, I don't say I'd want to do anything else.